In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Asana. So whether you're organizing a team project or simply planning your personal tasks, this will be your complete guide to setting up a new project with ease. Now, let's get started. First things first. When you're on the Asana homepage, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button marked Create. Clicking this will open up your main menu of creation options. We want to focus on setting up a project, so go ahead and select Project from the list. Now, Asana gives you a few different ways to start your project. It's really flexible to cater to different needs, whether it's a completely new endeavor or adapting an existing framework. You can choose to start from scratch, which is great if you have a clear vision and need full customization. Alternatively, you may want to choose from Asana's templates, which provide a solid structure to base your project on. There's also the option to import a project template if you've one saved already that's not available from the defaults. Each option has its merits, so feel free to pick the one that aligns best with your current needs. For demonstration purposes, I'll show you how to select a template provided by Asana. This is a great choice if you're new to setting up projects or if you're looking for a tried and tested structure. Find the option for Use a Template and give it a click. You'll be shown a selection of ready-to-use templates tailored for various types of projects, from product launches to event planning. Once you're in the template selection screen, browse through the available templates and select the one best suited to your project. When you've made your choice, select Use Template. This option will load the template into your Asana workspace and guide you through a straightforward setup process tailored to that specific template. Follow along with the setup wizard that appears. Here, you can input necessary details such as project name, descriptions, tasks, and assign roles to team members if you're working collaboratively. Adjust the task due dates or dependencies to fit your project's timeline. This setup essentially serves as your project's basic framework, so take your time to make the necessary adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully created a new project in Asana. From here, you can dive into making any further customizations or additions, like adding new sections or personalizing task boards. Remember, the key in Asana is not just creating a project, but shaping it to reflect the specific goals and workflows that suit you or your team best. Hop in, explore the features, and organize your tasks in a way that maximizes productivity and clarity. Happy planning!